Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. With Christmas just around the corner, it's time to deck the halls and make our homes feel extra festive. Today, I'm sharing some creative and budget-friendly home decoration ideas to help you celebrate the season in style. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the centerpiece of any Christmas decor, the Christmas tree. If you want to add a personal touch, consider making your own ornaments. You can use materials like cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, or even photos of family members. It's a great way to create memories. Now, let's not forget about the entrance. Your front door is the first impression guests will have of your home. Create a welcoming vibe with a festive wreath. You can buy one or make your own using fresh greenery, berries, and a big bough. The fireplace is another great spot to showcase your holiday spirit. Hang stockings for each family member and fill them with small treats or notes. You can also add garlands along the mantelpiece. Use twinkling lights and ornaments to make it sparkle. Don't forget the outside of your home. String lights along your porch or in your trees for a magical touch. You can also create a festive walkway by lining it with lanterns or luminaries. Welcome to our festive celebration of Christmas ornaments. These small decorations add a big splash of joy and personality to your holiday decor. Join us as we explore their history, significance, types, and creative ways to use them this season. Christmas ornaments have a rich history. The tradition of decorating trees dates back to 16th century Germany, where people initially used edible items like fruits and nuts to adorn their trees. It wasn't until the 19th century that glass ornaments became popular, thanks in part to craftsmen in the Loschia region of Germany. These artisans created intricate designs, leading to the beautiful glass ornaments we know and love today. As the trend spread, the United States started mass-producing ornaments, resulting in an explosion of styles, colors, and materials. Today, ornaments come in an endless variety of styles and materials. Let's explore some popular types and how they can enhance your holiday decor. First, we have traditional glass ornaments. These timeless decorations often come in vibrant colors and various shapes, from classic round balls to intricate figurines. They catch the light beautifully and can evoke a sense of nostalgia, especially if they are heirlooms handed down through generations. To display glass ornaments, consider using an assortment of sizes. Larger ornaments can go toward the bottom of the tree, while smaller ones can adorn the top branches. Mixing matte and shiny finishes can add depth to your tree's visual appeal. Themed ornaments are another fun way to personalize your Christmas tree. From whimsical animals to travel mementos or even hobbies, themed ornaments tell a story about your family's interests and experiences. Consider creating a travel-themed tree, adorned with ornaments representing places you visited. Each ornament can spark a memory, turning your tree into a beautiful scrapbook of experiences. DIY ornaments are a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and make special keepsakes. You can craft them from various materials, including wood, felt, or even recycled items. One simple yet popular DIY idea is salt dough ornaments. Just mix flour, salt, and water, roll it out, and use cookie cutters to create festive shapes. Once baked and cooled, you can paint and decorate them as you please. This also makes for a lovely family activity during the holiday season. Vintage and vintage-inspired ornaments have become increasingly popular in recent years. Thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops often have beautiful finds from past decades that can add charm and character to your tree. Mixing different styles can create an eclectic and cozy look. Don't hesitate to incorporate mismatched ornaments. It's all about telling a story and creating a unique festive vibe. Personalized ornaments are a wonderful way to commemorate special moments. Consider engraving family names, the year, or significant milestones. These ornaments make for cherished keepsakes that can be passed down through generations. You can also create ornaments that celebrate your children's achievements or special events, like a wedding or new home. It's a lovely way to display your family's journey on your tree.